Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my pet treater unboxing for November. This is the cat pack. And the first item I'm pulling out is from Terra Toys. This is a cat toy with catnip in it. Pretty cool looking. I can see the catnip in there. It's pretty cute. Also have, oh, this is adorable, Midwest CBK. I like that. Little fishy. A little puff ball, and it rattles. Next up from Kathy Ireland, this is called Love Ones. It says reusable bag. Oh, so it has catnip inside, I guess, and the bag itself is reusable. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, so there's a whole pouch of catnip in it. That's a ton. And then just the little bag that you can repurpose. Cute. So we got a couple toys. Also got some treats. Meow Love. Tuna flavor. Crunchy and tasty. Perfect for pampering. Cute. And then some advertisements and our sticker. So this month it says, stay thankful. Every month you get a super cute sticker, some cat toys, normally cat treats, miscellaneous items. And there's just a couple advertisements on top. Promo code. Turn any photo of your pet into a huggable pillow. That is awesome. Look how cute that is. There's a promo code for that too, in case you want to check them out. So these are the items that came this month. Like I said, there's a good mix of like toys, typically treats, and other items like that. So if you guys are interested, I'll put all their information below and a promo code. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.